It's the most wonderful time of the year. It finally fucking snowed in this day at the wonderful year. It's the most wonderful time of the year, but except in January and talk about 11 days worth of fucking snow. It's not Christmas anymore, it's January. We filmed this on January, by the way. It snowed. It finally snowed. And I'm freezing my furry ass off here and it's cold. I don't know why I have to fucking film this, but yeah, we're doing it right now. Look at the snow. It's not even that much snow, it's melting. Look, look, water, Coke. Look at the Among Us drip. So much drip. Everyone on Twitter will be jealous. Just look at that. Look, it's even melting right there. It's melting right there. Everything. The snow won't even last long here. It won't even last 2 seconds here because it's still fucking hot. It's not even that hot. Look at you. You look like Fanny Love. You look like a... Look at all this snow. It doesn't even last long. Look, when you look at this snow, look, everyone's been walking on the snow. Look, it's even melting right here. It's even melting right here. Oh, shit. Freezing right here. Look at that. Look at all this snow, man. Doesn't even last long here. Upsetting. You still see birds flying out here. That just tells you it's not even that cold. This is ridiculous. Anyways, I would give you some hot cocoa. I'm cold as shit.